Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ultimate Home Tutor. Today we're discussing about PHP data types. PHP data types very important to learn because the data we are using in programming, it is we have to identify which type of data we are using. So basically there are 8 types of data types in PHP: string, integer, float, and then boolean, array, objects, null, and resources. These are the some data types in PHP. We will discuss one by one, so you get understand what is mean that. Okay, we'll start with string. String is a sequence of character like hello world. String can be any text inside quoted. You can use single quote or double quote. Okay, just I will tell you with the demonstration that in my last program I uh, just I just remove this code of my last program, so just delete it and just write here some code like variable. I'm just declaring dollar name equal to, just declaring name Arshad. This we called the string variable. Okay, that it's contain a string, that therefore it is called string variable. Just change it out as PHP data. PHP data type and just save as .php. Okay, so we'll start with this. These are PHP data types. Okay, so here I'm writing some uh, string character that Arshad I'm storing here. Just print it. I'm using print and dollar sign name. Just I'm using print function to print the value. Just save it. Oh, save, and then run. For running, okay, what is that? PHP data type, no? Here, this one. So my name is printing here, Arshad. So you know that if you are using a string means uh, we are sequence of character that store in double quote or single quote, whatever is I'm giving here double quote. I just give here single quote L underscore name is equal to single quote and give shape. Okay, just for example, I'm just printing same here, copy, paste, and just type here L underscore name. Okay, just save it, save, and run it. So you know that double quote and single quote is the same meaning in the string sequence, so no problem in that case. Okay, then we'll use one function that we call uh, PHP uh, PHP var dam function is there. This I'm using here. It will, what is that function written? Data types and the value of that. So I'm just using here var dam and the dollar name. Okay, I'll just print here var dam, so you'll get an idea that which type of variable name is there and what is the output of that. Okay, so string 6 Arshad is their string, value is also written in, so I'm just use here some echo, just printing echo here and giving break statement, so that br, it will print br in that br. Okay, again I'm using here br, again I'm using here br, so just save it, save, and we'll find it out that uh, name of variable name is of string 6, having a string 6. Okay, var dam name is having 6 name is there, 6 character are the 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it giving me a name also and the var dam function written data types and the value in that. Okay, so you get an idea what is a string. Then we'll discuss about what is an integer. Integer is a data type that not having any decimal point. What is that? It is not having any decimal number, no, not having any decimal number. The rule in the range of this 21474883 48 to 214748. This is the range of integer. You can take this range or remember this range. And the rule for integers, the rules are integer must have at least one digit we have to must it, integer must not have any decimal point will not require. Integer can be negative or positive. Integer can be a decimal like base 10, hexadecimal like base 16, octa like base 88, or binary base 2. So I will explain you with the help of an example so you get an idea that how we can use this. Okay, so I'm just putting some comment here because I already know that hash is a comment line function that is used to comment it. Okay, so I'm using here some variables like dollar x equal to 23. This is a integer variable. Then I'm using dollar age equal to 33. Okay, then next dollar whatever you want, mobile number. Okay, mobile number, it is not containing any decimal value number, so I'm just writing here 2323. That's the random number I'm writing here. Okay, okay, just one only. So this we called our data we are stored here, and this integer type data, so I'm just put it here echo and the name of the variable dollar x, so it will printing value of x, and just delete this data, not use, we are not using this, print it. Okay, so I'm using here dollar mobile. Okay, just save and run it. So we'll find that 23 is an integer and the mobile number is also integer, it containing the integer value 903038. Okay, so you get understand that what is the function of var temp function. So it return the value and the type of data types. Okay, I think so you understand that what is use of var temp function. You can try also. just just I'm like trying, use like side by side, you can also try it. Okay, just okay, next we'll do float types of. Floating point number is the decimal number or point having exponential point, so that we'll discuss it. Okay, look at here, just I'm changing this 23 to 0.90. It will convert it into a decimal point number. Okay, again and just dot 90 and just put here and just save and again run it, so it will change integer to float, I think so, float. Okay, and this value is in to 23.90, so it is changing data type to float. So okay, I think so you understand that what is the use of float and what is the use of uh, that we call integer. Okay, point value is there, then we call integer, sorry, float. Then we'll discuss about boolean variables. So boolean variables means what? Either they are true or they are false. Like I'm just showing here an example that uh, okay, I'm just put here. Okay, just save and run it, giving you that bool true, its value is true. uh, then I'm just writing here this one, just writing false here, just save and then that we call, then run it. Oh my god, I'm not printed now, this mobile value is not printing now. So I'm again taking var temp and the value of variable is the mobile number. So we get the value of that mobile number, var temp mobile number. So it will give us data types and also value. So boolean false, the value is false. So you can understand that what is the use of this false statement, boolean, and this all this will discuss in conditional statement, if else, for loop. So in that you will understand betterly that why to use php boolean variables. Just I'm just giving you idea that how the boolean work and how to use it. Okay, then another type of data type that php support is array. Array store multiple value in single variables, that we call array is a collection of similar data, that we call. Boolean are often used in conditional state. Boolean are used in means Boolean conditions often used in conditional statement, if or is like that only. So we'll discuss about array, how we can create an array, and then discuss about that. Next point is what is that object. Okay, so firstly we do one thing, that data type in array, we just declare an array, uh, so we get an idea how we can declare array. Okay, and just remove all these variables. Okay, I'm declaring new variables, so you can understand what is mean by array. Just I'm giving here dollar sign and putting my test. Okay, test my test equal to I just want to declare an array, so I'm putting here my test array, and I just putting here that double quote, I'm done with the COVID COVID test negative. Okay, and then whatever you want to save is mm, fever is there. Fever. Just put it double quote that we have to put fever. Then next, uh, blood test. Blood test. Oh, just my God. Just want to put it in this one. Blood test. Okay, this we call the array. We are declaring that my test is what array, and just I want to put here that I'm declaring array my test. I'm just writing my test. So you get an idea that this var_dam function is how it works. Okay, it's just returning the value and the type of data. So I'm just saving it. Save. Okay, then next refresh it. So you will get an array index that it will start from 0 position, and first string that we have used here, it having 21 uh, letters are there. 1 2 21 letters are there. It stores its string type, it's storing COVID test negative. Then second index that we call 1 is storing 5 keywords. Then second index storing 10 keywords strings that we call blood test. So like that we can show that how var_dam function is used to print the type and the value of the variable. Okay, you got this. If you have any doubt, please you can comment in comment box. Okay, so I can understand that whatever your doubts, please type me in comment box so you get understand and all people will understand that what is PHP array and how it will works. Okay, we'll start with an object in next session because it somewhat requires some more time, so my video will get lengthy. I don't want my video to be maximum 20 or 30 minutes maximum. I just want 30 minutes is maximum for myself, my and yourself also. So we'll stop here. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please share my video to your friends that really require PHP programming to learn that today's era is of open source, so you have to learn open source computing language and develop it for your organization. Thank you. We'll meet in next lecture and we'll see PHP object how we can use it. Okay, thank you.